Hi guys, today I am going to unbox a tank bag that I got as a gift for Valentine's Day from my wife. This is from Rynox, and I purchased it from, we ordered it from motocentral.in, and let me have a look. This is, I think, 15 liters, and I'll have a look and see. I'll unbox this in front of you, and I'll also have a look and see if this is going to suit my purpose. That is just, traveling on a daily basis and carrying a few stuff. Okay. So it took us, I think, 4 days for the order to reach us. We ordered it last week, 4 days ago actually, and it's arrived by India Post, Speed Post. Unfortunately, we had to pay for delivery charge, which I later found out could have been avoided. I'm doing this video just after I'm back from office, so I must be looking terrible. Sorry for that. So let's see. So what does it say? Okay, so it says something different. It says visor for Jade premium vent. I hope they have shipped me the correct order. It's got a completely different label. But okay, fine. So I just want to show you something. So this says visor for Jade premium vent. Okay, this says the same. So, and this is what it says: stud spare visors for helmets. So I was a bit worried, like what has been shipped to me. But now I see that the correct product has been shipped. Thank God. So this is the bag. Okay. This is a bag from Rynox. Looks really cool. And it's got a tag from Motocentral. Okay. And here's a bill. So it actually cost us 2,250, whereas it should have been 1,999. But there's a 250 rupees delivery charge. So, anyways, not a problem as long as I've got the correct order. This is a reflective tag from Rynox. This is where you can put down your mobile. You can fix the mobile over here. The chains are really good. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so this is the bag. Here are some compartments. I think we can carry your earphones over here. You can fit your keychain over here and a few pens, and you can carry your camera and some other stuff inside. It's pretty good space inside. Okay, let's see what else is there. Here's a side pocket. You can keep your wallet over here. I'm just imagining what I will be doing, and more space to keep other stuff. And this is a space where I will be carrying my papers for the bike. So this is pretty handy. Now here are the 3 magnets, I guess. This is one, and this is another one. So when you are not using this bag as a tank bag, and if you want to carry it around, you can put these magnets in, and you can use it with this handle, or you can easily attach these here and here, and you can carry it as a sling bag. So these are adjustable, so the length can be adjusted. So this is pretty useful, and I'm very happy. The quality, of course, Rynox is a very reliable brand. The quality is very good, and I've heard that the chains are the best that you can get in the industry, at least for the money that I've spent, we have spent. I keep saying I have spent, but this is the gift, so apologies. So these are the chains, and here is an interesting thing. This is a rain cover. So if you're carrying your bag on the bike and it starts raining, all you need to do is just fit it. Oh, and there's more. Here are some elastic cords, so you can fit in your gloves over here, once you are done with them. And you can easily fit this bag inside this cover. Pretty tight. I'll do it on the tank tomorrow. I'll fix it on the tank, and I'll shoot it as well. So I'm very happy with this product. I'll just have to check how the magnets work on my Duke 250, and then I'll be completely satisfied as to how the product is. So I'll add that part of the video later on. So let me try and fit the bag on the bike today and see how it fits. I've opened the magnets. It's actually easy to fit, but the problem is I have my handle locked. I forgot the keys inside. And it's fixed, so you can see no straps required, and it doesn't move. It's very tight. There you go. It's perfect. I've got my wallet, umbrella, sunglasses inside, and some keys over here, and the earphones in this pocket. And I also plan to carry my lunch box inside this. I've checked, and it fits perfectly. So this is pretty handy.